Hey YouTube, it's Shir. Welcome to my food channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make jachnun. Jachnun is a Jewish Yemeni food. It's a rolled dough opened with butter and rolled into itself and baked all night on a low temperature. It's really good and I'm going to show you all the steps of how to make it. And on today's video I have a special guest. I'm hosting my mom. Mom, come say hi. Hi! This is my mother, called Tova, and her parents come from Yemen. This is what we're going to make today. Let's go to the kitchen. All you need is flour, butter, sugar, syrup, salt, water, and a pot. You mix together the flour, the sugar, salt, date honey, and half of the water. You can also use a hand mixer at start and then knead it by hand. This is what I do. Now it's just right, you see the consistency? Form it into a ball and then let it rest covered for at least half an hour. It prevents the jachnun from burning. I start by opening the dough in the air and not on the surface, but my mom starts it on the surface and everything is okay. You just need to do whatever it's more comfortable to you. I find it easier for me to open it to start in the air and then use the surface to continue stretching it. You aim for the thinnest layer you can possibly get. The thinner you open it, the more layers you can get in the end, and then it's a better result. Oil the dough in every fold. You can use butter, but you can also use just regular oil to make it vegan. Mom is putting the dough on the surface and then uses gently the pads of her fingers to open it slowly. As you can see, in both methods, the dough tears a bit, but that's okay, it's not a problem, you can definitely work with it. Stretching it with both of my hands in the air, then putting it on the surface and stretching it over the surface to a very thin layer. You can see on the side the result of the thin layer. You can't even imagine the smell of it. So it's Saturday morning, it's been baked the entire Saturday actually. We put it in Friday evening. In the Jewish religion, Shabbat is time that you don't use any electricity. So usually it's been baked on a hot plate that you turn on before Shabbat and then it's on the entire Shabbat, but we are making it in the oven. So I have the jachnun right here with me. This is a jachnun and I have tomato and sour cream and hot sauce, which is called schuk. And I'm going to eat it together. I'll show you in the inside of the jachnun. You see how rolled it is inside. You see all the layers. You see how thin every layer is. You fold it off and then you can see it's see-through, it's sheer, and this is what you're going for. When you open it, then you want it to be this way. Smells so good. The layers are really good. It has some sweetness to it and the right amount of saltiness. I think we nailed it, basically. It's a really good one. Oh yeah. I eat it by folding it out of itself, but there's some people that eat it with fork and knife. But this is the more fun way, I think. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, you're really welcome to ask them in the comment below. And if you want me to make more videos like that, tell me also in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you get notifications every time I upload a video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!